Madonna's big up on a nice clean self. So story time. I have a story one I want to share with you guys. Years ago when I did Jamaica, I had a friend live up here in the US and we used to talk a lot. I haven't spoke to her in a very, very long time. But we used to talk a lot and she tell me about this guy that she likes. Oh my gosh. Every time she called me, she was just talking. When you look on the guy now, when me say looks, him have the full package, him have go a gym and all that. She not bad looking, but she not really have the best of shape. I'm not a discriminator. I'm just saying. And when me look upon the guy, me turn to her and me say, me could have wrong, but me turn to her and me say, that guy there, I know you alone he have. In too hot. But the way how she used to, me never want burst her bubbles, But when she send me the guy picture, me say something is off. Me could have wrong. But me like, you just read right up in him face when she send me just zoom in his eye and me read right in him face. And me say, say that boy a bad. She tell me say she alone. Them time there, she used to work at this place and she tell me say, oh, she used to left her work for lunchtime and go in a car with him. She never can go him house. She never can do certain things. Well, before me tell her, say the guy, I know she alone the guy have, the things that what she used to just tell me what the guy say, they kind of make me, you know, what a word, like him a gaslighter. You know what I mean? The things them, and then now him just not show up. So when him want little, him go to her, and them either have to go a hotel or go at the time she did have fear baby father. So she never want carry, but the man never lived there, but the man come there sometime. Yeah. Yeah. Left them on the counter. Guys, my daughter come and distract me from my story. Alright, so let me get back into it. So she used to just go give him her body in a car, and when me ask her, say, him ever carry you out? He ever carry it, No, no. Like me, I ask her, she not, me say, ever take a picture with him, with you? No. But him send her picture. Him ever use him phone and take a picture with you? No. You ever use your phone and take a picture with him? No. So that's when me say to her, say, you really think you alone him have? I don't believe so. And at that time, she was on Facebook. And said to her, say, you're so naive. You have to pay attention. If I me like you, me would have do some research. And me say, where him name? Tell me where him name. Spell him correct name for me. She said him not there on Facebook. She look for him on Facebook. So I wish part she did at work. It was at a sales place, and him come there, meet her there. And they say meet her. So him keep coming back there so to meet her at work. Him never go her house. And them attack for months, Him never go her house. Him never know none of that. Not just that, but when she tell me say she started to give him money, that was the part that way me did kind of like, girl, this is a boopsie. And yeah, sugar mama. See when me tell her. Me say, yeah, boopsie, I'm not sugar mama. And yeah, sugar mama. Cause me know her from she young. So it's like, me just da look out for she. Maybe me never did have to tell her. But after she give me him name, I go up on Facebook and I go up on tag. Them time the tag did around. I did that Jamaica. And tag did around. I see him on tag. I see him on tag. I send him one message on tag because he never know about me. And him reply, tag first me see him pan. And then, so funny. And then me go look for him on Facebook. Him alone did the pan tag. When me see him on Facebook, he have his wife and his daughter and his son. And he have much family pictures with him look so hot. When me say him hot, the boy hot. The boy look like he got gym every day. Nice. Pretty. When me I say, we as women, we have to read into things. And that is the thing, because she rush into it and me tell her, say, she have to make sure so she not do that again. She have to pay attention because she only get used. And when me go and screenshot the picture of them and send it to she, me sound like one little informer, not true? Yeah, but the way oh she did a gaslight, oh him did a gaslight her, he would appear for a very long time. You know what him do? Him block she because him knows so she dey on Facebook. So him block her page and tell her say him not dey on Facebook. And me now as the investigator, because we used to talk a lot, you know. We used to talk almost every day. So it's just in the beginning, me never been. She used to just tell me about him and tell me about him until when me say, girl, you get married, and I'll tell her about marriage. Him all tell her about marriage and all them something there. I don't know. I don't know if she remember this story. She must remember. Cause she did she did head over heels because you know how woman is. Knowing say okay, it's a little bush girl and she you know, a little bush girl and she get this a nice hot guy and what make we can make people gaslight we so? What make we love fall in love with we heart so? Why when we are going in a relationship we don't use we head? We don't use it, you know? We use we heart. They say, guys, oh my gosh, I say I have to share that one with you. You know, say at them day here, I remember the story. Cause sometimes, you know, me not forget things so easy, you know. I'm there here, and me I smile and me say, me I go tell me Dana's them that story here. You know, we'll never ever know who. And one thing with me, you know, anytime me I tell a story, you know, not gonna know who. Unless the person say to see a them. I will not come out here and tell the story like and call your name unless you approve it. Me nah go make me nah go do that. And you know me always like that. Me never used to like call people name and in a mix up, you know. But me we share the story. Yeah, me not like call people name. Me never used to like call people name and in a mix up and drama. From there Jamaica, no. If you see something, say something, yes, but me also see I'm blind and hear and deaf too. But it just and because that's so many years, this is like maybe about 15 years ago. More than that. Yeah. Maybe about 19 years ago. So a long time. But me just come and say me come share it with you because me they skin my teeth and I smile. I say me come do that content and share it with my danas them and tell me if you know ever head over heels. And you know me want to ask you know, you know ever head over me want to ask you know something. The ladies them, you know don't lie. When you ever I walk on the road yet and see one man, when you're not young, me I talk about, cause enough big woman not do that. Cause me not do that no more. Me not have eye for man out there no more. But I'm just saying, when you used to young and you used to see like nice hot guys on the road, seriously, when I never used to say, you know me would I do that guy there? That guy there hot no blows and skirt. When I never used to do that, yeah, in your head. You imagine in your head. But when you eat 40 and them something there, you don't feel them way there no more. Especially me in a long term relationship. Them something they not cross my mind again. You're a big woman. They talk about when you're young and you know you're hot. So she did young them time there. She did young, I think she was maybe like 28, 29, something after so. So we just come to share that we don't know. I wanna tell me the truth. I wanna really ever have a crush on a man. Like a deep crush. Cause you see, woman don't really talk certain things. Them keep it in silence. And nowadays you see woman a come out and I say, oh, you know, I like the guy, and them all up on social media say they like guy. No, me wouldn't do that. No, me would never do that. But them attack how them feel. But what about you? Would you not say would do that, but like, you used to do that. You ever used to have that in your head? Like in a evening in your neighborhood, you used to maybe see one hot guy in your neighborhood. Even school. When you used to go school and you see one hot boy in your neighborhood and you say that boy they look nice, blah, blah. You may not want him to choose me. Mm. Woman just not talk. But woman do feel them way there, cause man feel them way there, but them approach woman. But woman do feel them way there too. Them just not talk. Mm. Anyway, Madonna, big up on yourself. Remember to hit the like button and remember that my email is in the description. If you have your story to tell, let me know in the comment section. God bless you and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And the holidays coming up, enjoy it. More blessings.